Hello viewers, today I will show you how to use a 360-degree image virtual tour with Quix Pagebuilder. Actually, you can call it how to use a Joomla module with Quix Pagebuilder. How you can use it, I will show you today. So first, here is the a 360-degree image virtual tour, and this is a panoramic image tour, and it is you can see a demo of it. It is working here. So how can you use it? I am showing you right now with Quix Pagebuilder. First, you have to install your module. Then you will go here and module section, and then you will make sure there is no position. You will remove the position. Status will be published, and you can show a title or hide title here. And for menu assignment, make sure you assign it for on all pages. And virtual tour settings, here is the tour settings. Make sure if you want to use multiple modules, then you have to put unique ID for them, 1 2 3 4. I mean for this a 360-degree virtual tour. And then you will make sure go your Quix Pagebuilder. Here I have opened the page builder and open the page. Then make sure you just choose Joomla module from here, and I mean add element. Then you will go for here module, Joomla module. You will see there is the Joomla module. So here you will just select the module. Select from here. You will select the module name. Here you see this in module name is Karosi UND lecture, something like that. So you will just choose it from here, and you just click save, and you see here is the module save, and you just make sure save and options. And if I do it, you will see there is another I mean same option will be showing twice, as here is already showing one minute. So I am removing it. Just I am showing it like this because this image is very big, so it is loading time is taking time. So this is loaded. So this is how you can use it for your Quix Pagebuilder. It is very easy to use. You not only this, but also any module you can use it with Quix Pagebuilder. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.